Okay, in iMovie, we want to learn about titles. So let's say if you're in the Clips pane, you need to go under Editing tab, which gets you to the Titles pane, which also has transitions, video effects, and audio effects. Now there's different types of titles. Okay, we're going to be working with the one called centered titles. It's one of the most standard, easiest ones to work with, the most commonly used. Okay, I already have mine over black. We need that box right here checked, because if not, the title is going to be over your picture, and we don't want that. We want a separate title over black, so click that. This is where we type in what we want for our title. Now I've already taken the time to type this in to save time, so 5 rules of taking pictures, top line. Then on the bottom put by and then your name. Okay, and if you click center title, it'll show you a preview of what it looks like. Okay, I have the color as white, so right here if you want to change the color, let's say to green, you just click green and now you can see the title is in green. Okay, we want to keep it to a standard white, because white looks really nice with a black background. Also, if you want to do more than just 2 lines for your title, what you do is you click plus, and it gives you more lines to type in. Okay, but we only want those 2, so let's get rid of it by clicking minus. There's different types of font, tons of different types of font, any type that you want. But Times New Roman's very safe, simple, easy to read, so we'll pick that. Also typeface, regular, italic, bold, bold, italic. Okay, stay at regular. And the size, we move to the left to the small a, you can see it has a very small title. But we want it as large as possible, so move it all the way to the right, nice and big so everyone can read it. Okay, let's see, speed and pause. Well, what are those? Speed. If we move this all the way over to the left, you notice these numbers get smaller. Okay, that's 20 frames, not even a second. What that's doing is it's fading in real quick and fading out real quick. Okay, so if we want it to fade in slower, then we go ahead and slide it so the number gets bigger. 1 second, 26 frames. The pause, it's just what it says, pause. If we move it to the left, the numbers get smaller. Move it to the right, the numbers get bigger. And that's just the length in which these words show up on the screen and pause. Okay, so let's look at 5 rules of taking pictures by John Uriarty. So that's not too bad, it looks okay. It's pretty good, it's not up there too long, it's not up there too short. It's at 4 seconds, 23 frames, so to add it, you simply click add, or you can go up here to the top and drag it in to where you want it. Say right here, again, see that green circle with the plus sign, meaning it's ready. So drop it, and it renders, it's ready to go. So if you want to play it, see what it looks like, go ahead and play it. 5 rules of taking pictures by John Uriarty. Okay, if you're happy with it, good. If not, just delete it, start over, and make a new one. And that's making a basic title in iMovie.